Hello, children. We are learning about the division. Last class we have finished two digit. Let's continue from there and have a
Or
quick recap.
97 divided by 2. Step 1 is to compare the digits. We compare the leftmost digit of the dividend with the divisor. Here, the leftmost digit is the digit in the tens place. That is 9. 9 is greater than 2. And therefore, we can divide 9 by 2. So, step 2 is doing the division. Here, as the divisor is 2, we use the table of 2's to find a product which is equal to or less than and nearest to the digit of the dividend, that is 9. So, the nearest product is 8. Hence, we write 4 above 9. Step 3 is to multiply 4 by 2. As we know, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. We write the number 8 in the tens column under 9. Step 4 is to subtract 8 from 9, which is equal to 1. We write this 1 in the tens column. Now, step 5 is to bring down the next digit, that is 7. After bringing down the digit, we repeat steps 1 to 5 again till there are no more digits to bring down. So, here we again compare 17 and 2. Here, 17 is greater than 2. So, we can divide 17 by 2. Here, we use the table of 2's such that the product is less than or equal to and nearest to 17. The nearest product is 16. So, we write 8 above the 7. As we know, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Write the number 16 under 17. Next, subtract 16 from 17, which is equal to 1. Write 1 in the ones column. Now, there are no more digits to bring down. We have finished our division. The remainder here is 1. Did you know, kids? We can also check our calculation. All we have to do is use the following relation. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. That is 48 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 96 plus 1 is equal to 97. Isn't that interesting? The answer we get is the dividend itself. That is 97.
Yes, let's continue from exercise 5. First one, 74 by 5. As you can observe, we have quotient as 14, remainder as 4. And the second one, 64 by 4, Yes, here also we can divide from the procedure. Let's see the second main. Similarly, you can solve 73 divided by 5. You'll get a reminder 3 and a quotient as 14, right? So, story sum 40 chapatis are equally divided among 9 children. How many chapatis did each child will get and how many chapatis are left over? Here we have to divide 40 divided by 9. How to divide? 40 is a dividend and 9 is a remainder. 9 fours are 36, 4 is remainder. So each child will get 4 chapatis.
In this lesson, we will learn how to divide a 3-digit dividend by a 1-digit divisor using long division. In this expression, 822 is the dividend, which is the amount we have, and 3 is the divisor, which is the number we are dividing by. With division, we are asking, how much is in each group if we want to evenly divide 822 among 3 groups? To start this division, we draw the long division symbol, and then we write our dividend, 822, inside it, and our divisor, 3, on the left of it. When performing long division, we carry out 4 steps with every digit in the dividend. First, we divide, then we multiply, and then we subtract. And finally, we bring down the next digit from our dividend until we have no more digits to bring down. Let's see this operation in action. We begin with the digit in the largest place value in our dividend, which is 8, and we try and divide it by our divisor, 3. Can we evenly divide 8 by 3? How many 3s are in 8? 2 3s are the most number of 3s that fit into 8, because 3 3s is a 9, and that is bigger than 8. So 2 becomes the first digit in our quotient. We write a 2 above the 8 from our dividend. Now, as we've learned, after we divide, we multiply. So we take the digit we wrote in the quotient and multiply it by our divisor, 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. We write 6 below the 8, the number we divided. Our third step is to subtract. 8 minus 6 equals 2. After subtracting, we notice that we cannot evenly divide 2 by 3. So, we bring down the next digit from our dividend. Bring down the 2. Now we have 22, and we use it as the new dividend. We repeat the 4 steps again. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Can we divide 22 by 3? How many 3s are in 22? 7 3s are the most number of 3s that fit into 22, because 8 3s is 24, and that is bigger than 22. So 7 becomes the second digit in our quotient. We write 7 above the 2 from our dividend. Now we multiply. We take 7 and multiply it by our divisor, 3. 7 times 3 equals 21, and we write 21 below 22, the number we divided. Then we subtract. 22 minus 21 equals 1. Now we notice that we cannot evenly divide 1 by 3, so we bring down the next and the last digit from our dividend. We bring down the 2. Now we have 12. We will repeat our 4-step process one more time. What is the result of dividing 12 by 3? 12 divided by 3 equals 4, right? So, we write 4 above 2, the last digit we brought down from the dividend. The second step is to multiply. 4 times 3 equals 12. The third step is to subtract. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Notice that we've used all of the digits from our dividend. Since we have no more digits to bring down, we stop. Notice that the result of the last subtraction we performed was 0, so we have no remainder. And our answer is in the quotient, which is 274.
Yes, by using this method, we have exercise 3, division of 3 digit by a 1-digit number. Let's see the first one. You can observe the first digit 2 ones are 2, second digit 2 fours are 8, and the third digit 2 twos are 4. So the remainder is 0, quotient is 142. Second main is also in the same method. 3 ones are is 3, taking next number down, 3 threes are 9, and next 3 twos are 6. Then quotient becomes 132 and the remainder is 0. Similarly, you can solve the remaining question of this main. Coming to the next exercise, here we'll get the remainder other than 0, right? 5 ones are is 5, remainder 1, 5 twos are 10, remainder 1, 5 twos are 10, then remainder is 3. The story sum, the price of the 8 pencil boxes is 720. What is the price of 1 pencil box? So 720 divided by 8. 8 nines are 72. 0 is the next number and by 8 zeros are 0. Cost of 1 pencil is 90. Similarly, you can solve the remaining questions. See you in the next class, children.